for the green cause. Ito ang naging tema ng ginanap na TCS Clark Animo International Marathon, isa sa biggest running event sa Clark, Pampanga nitong linggo, March 5. Bukod kasi sa pagkakaroon ng active at healthy lifestyle, ang sporting event na inorganisa ng De La Salle Alumni Association o DLSAA Pampanga Chapter ay naglalayon ding makatulong sa pangangalaga ng Abacan Watershed sa Angeles City katuwang ang Araw ACI.
Ever since, I think we are the longest running and the biggest running event in Clark, and yet we are, I think, the only non-profit marathon, So probably that's one of the reasons why we started in 2009, so it's our 14th year. Probably that's the reason we're still here, because I think it's good karma, because it's non-profit and we're spending the proceeds well, We're, again, this year's beneficiary is the Angeles City Watershed. Okay, but we also give to La Salle Botanical Gardens in Alvera, Porac.
Humigit kumulang 5,000 runners ang dumagsa sa Clark Global City upang makiisa sa layunin ng nasabing aktibidad.
Hopefully this would continue. This stopped for I think 1 year or two because of the pandemic, and now that it's back, we hope that it continues to do this event every year so that we could help more and of course entice everyone to run.
Tradition every year na I'm supporting a specific organization para makatulong din, and at the same time parang ito ang isang opportunity para ituloy yung advocacy na yon, and at the same time parang nakatulong ka na, you are being healthy as well.
Parang merong fulfillment na magra-run ka at the same time ay magiging participative ka doon sa kanilang advokasya.
Matatandaan itong Nobyembre ng nakaraang taon, inilunsad ng Clark Animo Kickstart Run bilang paghahanda sa idinaos na mas malaking marathon. At ayon na rin kay Aris Patawaran, ang chairman ng De La Salle Alumni Association Pampanga Chapter, maraming naengganyo at nakiisa sa kanilang hangaring mapangalagaan ang kalikasan.
Siguro dahil sa advocacy namin, nakikita nila na hindi naman kumikita tong mga to. So siguro gusto rin nila magbigay. That's why they continue to patronize this run.
Hindi lamang mga individual at grupo ang nahikayat na lumahok sa advokasya ng sporting event, kundi maging ilang malalaking kumpanya, kabilang narito ang Tata Consultancy Services Philippines.
Yes, so we've partnered with Clark Animo since 2016, and we do this not just to support the sporting event, but to actually also support their advocacies, which is the reforestation of the Abacan Watershed Project. And this is very much aligned with our corporate sustainability and environmental values.
Samantala, patuloy umano ang gagawing hakbang ng samahan upang mas mapalawak ang bahagi ng Abacan Watershed na sakop ng kanilang programa.
We will continue to support the watershed of Angeles. Now kasi we sponsored 1 hectare para sa reforestation. But I think we will expand this to 5 hectares o hanggang 10 hectares hanggang kaya naming i-sustain. Kasi ito, hindi naman one-time event lang It has to be sustainable. So we're doing this on a long-term basis na we're partnering with Araw Foundation para sa watershed nga ng Angeles City.
Bukod sa running event, isang golf cup din ang ikakasa ng asosasyon ngayong 2023.
We are launching the Brother Andre Gonzalez Golf Cup this year, So we're getting into golf, more matured sports aside from this, But again, we're open to any, because we're into physical activities, Again, advocacy rin namin yung healthy lifestyle.
Ako si Liana Canilao, taga rito. Kasama niyo para sa CLTV 36 News, atin to.